Cemeteries are a fascinating field of study in so many directions.
Beneath the Spanish moss and century-old oaks, stories are told through granite and brass here in the St. Cloud Cemetery.
Well, this is my turf.
One of the more common visitors
Yes, I enjoy it.
hasn't even met the people buried here. But
Well, I'm the one who digs them up. Well, so to speak.
she knows them very well.
Giorgio is buried over there.
You see, Larissa Roderick
Served in the Union Navy.
is a historian. 10 years ago, a friend asked Larissa to research an unmarked grave here in St. Cloud, and the rest is history.
What I saw was essentially chaos. The list was incomplete. It had errors, and I can tolerate my life being upside down in many ways, but I want my spreadsheets neat and tidy.
So Larissa started researching.
So it's a matter of solving the riddle.
During the last decade, she has dug up facts and information on 61 veterans buried here.
Every stone represents a person who led a full life.
Many served in the Civil War, and nearly all of them fighting for the North. St. Cloud was established as a retirement colony for Union soldiers.
That's one of the 2 lonely Confederates buried here.
She turned their unmarked graves into a correct headstone.
It's something that should be done, it needs to be done, and I'm a research nerd, so I'm capable of doing it.
This week's Getting Results Award winner doesn't get any money or glory for this thankless job, but her burning curiosity has gotten results for otherwise forgotten figures of the past.
Some of them have been waiting 100 years or more, forgotten in unmarked graves. Now that they have headstones, they can be recognized for their service.